Finally, we got that perfect fitment. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all. Good morning to y'all. It's like 8 a.m. We're getting an early start to this. You guys see the tool out, see the car on jack stands. It's too early. I don't know what I'm saying. So we're just gonna get right to it. So we got a package in the mail from Z1 Motorsports, and let me just show you what came in. We have the Toyo tires, can or liquid, whatever you want to call it, holder thing. This will come in handy. So we got this. We got a whole bunch of cardboard, but the most important thing is this. You're probably wondering what the hell, what was that for? So these are extended studs for the wheel. So remember, I'm running spacers 8 mils, so we need extended studs just because I feel a lot safer with extended studs. These are 20 millimeters longer than the stock studs. So we gotta switch these out. It's 8 a.m. Sorry neighbors, we're gonna make a lot of noise with the impact gun so we can put it on. But yeah, so it came with this. Oh, and we also got, I'll show you guys in a bit, but retainer clip for the brake line because we don't have one. I'm gonna show you. We're like zip tying stuff here. So rolling on a budget, guys, rolling on a budget. And we got our fancy Z Motorsports sticker, which I'll probably put on just so I can say I got a Z1 Motorsports item, I guess. I don't know. I probably said Z Motorsport 1 or something earlier, so whatever. But yeah, guys, car is all jacked up. Doing it outside, I don't know why, but we gotta take that wheel off and we're just gonna dive right into it. But I know you guys like that fitment. Oh man, it's like, look at this. Woo. But yeah, so we also have these just in case I want to run bigger spacers, or so the wheel can have a little more poke out and just like feel it, so it can look like the back. So that's what we're doing. Let's put these back in real quick, set them to the side so we can take the wheel off, and let's get this started. You guys see how it goes? Look at this. No bueno. These things are no good. They suck. Well, I mean, now they suck. Now they suck. They were good when I got them first, but now they suck. They're all bent. That might be why my wheel is shaking. So, ooh, ouch. You guys probably look and be like, damn, he knows his stuff. You know, he works on his own car, this and that. Well, news to you, I half of the time don't know what I'm doing. So I just learn while I do it. So I don't know. I'm just not scared to work on my car. Now, where are my studs? And so like I told you, for the brake line, we got a zip tie. We're going to clip it. We finally got the clips. So let's see. Don't mind the duct tape. But yeah, so it should like stick out a little bit more, 20 millimeters. Let's just start by taking off my big brake kit. Oh, guys, if you guys want the big brake kits at a good deal and not pay $2,000, I do have a link to it in my description. So go to the description and click on the Akebono big brake upgrade, power stop, whatever you want. It works for your car as well. I also have the rotors, the brake pads. I have the whole kit that you guys can get. So go ahead and do that and make your car stop a lot better. So let's just do this. So you guys should already know. You guys seen it. It's not a how-to, so I'm just gonna like, you know. So we got one bolt here, one on the bottom. We're gonna take it off, take the caliper off. We're gonna probably hold it with like the control arm or something. So, oh, guess what? We also got a busted freaking axle. Look at all that grease. All right, enough of that. We don't have enough time, so let's get that off. So we're gonna hold this. Next up, Z rotor. All right, so this is what we're working with. So these are my old studs, and you can actually see, like right here, the stud is not messed up. It's just like the residue from this is like still on there. So it's supposed to literally, it's supposed to catch probably like up to here, and it only catches like this much. So that's what we have. New studs. They're not super long like the APRs, so they don't stick out like all the way out here, you know. So that's what I got, and let's just do it. Caliper, take off the rotor, and then you have this. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to like hammer, literally gonna bing bing bing, just hammer this out and it'll come out, and then you're gonna put the new one in. Honestly, it's like 8 a.m. it's like super early, and you know, it's like super silent over here, so I'm gonna use a rag and this hammer. So I put the rag here so it can create less noise, so the rag absorbs the noise. Remember that. So that's it, guys. Look at this. That's like the easiest thing. It's easier than changing your oil, to be honest. And I think it has a slit here, so you can like take the bolt off. So I mean, I thought it did. And that's it. So take one out. Look at the size difference. So the good thing is when we put the spacers on, we're gonna have this much thread to freaking hold the wheel on. That's how we're gonna do it. And then honestly, let's go on to the next one. So you guys already saw this, how I do it. I used 2 washers, honestly 3 spacers, these are spacers that I had. So 3 spacers, 2 washers, and then this nut. So it's open-ended, it'll go through. What you want to do is hit it with the impact, and it'll end up being like this. So it'll like seed into it. So you guys see it here is loose, it'll start going in all the way in, and until it's like honestly like this, and it's like super strong. So yeah, that's, instead of buying that installer, I do sell an installer for this. Instead of spending like 30 bucks for it or $50, I'd rather make my own homemade. So that's what I did. If you guys are gonna do it, you can use a nut, 2 of these, and you're set. So we got one more. Let's install that, and that's it. Just like that, they're all on. So each one. So we're gonna verify. I'm gonna get the flashlight and we're gonna check, make sure everything is actually where they're supposed to be. So that one's good. That one's good. That one's good. So as long as it's touching the knuckle or, you know, spindle, whatever, you'll be good. So this side, we are Gucci. So what we're gonna do is take this off, take the spacer off, put the rotor and all that. Yeah, I'll show you. All right, everything is on. It's like super strong. Nothing is clicking, nothing is doing nothing. It's just on. So you guys hit it with the impact. You can even do this like with, for example, with this. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and just keep going. It's gonna take a longer time. Where you can do it like that. And honestly, this is like super easy. It won't even take you that much. So if I can do it, you can do it. Trust me, I had no idea what the hell I'm doing. Voila. So extended studs on. So rotor on. So now we're actually going to, we're gonna get the nut real quick, and we're gonna hold the rotor in place. Oh, oops, sorry guys, I almost knocked you down. Wait. Not too tight. It's just to hold the rotor in place so we can actually put the brakes on. Bro, what's up with these crows, man? Like, for real. Look, it's like there's a crow right there and like a whole bunch of birds and stuff. So, like, what's going on? Every time I do a video, some freaking animal has to do. Can you go call somewhere else? God. But let's get it. Let's do it. All right, we got everything super tight, super cool. Like I said, we got this clip, so we don't have to use that zip tie. So let me just clip it on real quick, and yeah, that's it. All right. Wheel is on. You guys see my lug nuts, my new lug nuts. These are Muteki lug nuts. Yeah, these are actually from steel. The other one was aluminum. This one is steel. So, and like it matches kind of like my brakes. So I got these open-ended, you know, because I was gonna go extended studs just in case. I kept the open-ended studs. So for now, these are good, guys. And it's the SR48 P1.25. So yeah, let's get it. Oh, and it comes with this Muteki little key. So yeah, so I'm gonna put a link to it in the description if you guys want it to. They have different colors. They got blue, green, purple, freaking black. They have everything. And then you can also buy the caps if you want. So let's finish putting this on. And just like that, we are done. I am glad that we went with these lug nuts. Like, don't mind the brakes. I gotta repaint them. I gotta say this a lot, but check these out. It matches my brake pretty well, doesn't it? Like, comment down below. Does it match the brake, or should we get another one? No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna keep this one for a while. I'm definitely glad I went with these instead of a spike. I don't know, it's just something different. And we probably will get the center caps for this, so it should be looking good. So I will be honest, it did not fix anything. The extended studs didn't fix anything at all, but we gotta just move on to the next one. But look at this profile. This thing is beautiful. But yeah, the extended studs didn't fix it. Car is still shaking, whatever. Next up is the axle. So we're gonna have to change the axle, see if that fixes it. If not, we're just gonna throw the car away. We're gonna throw it in the trash. So that's it. We're just gonna get a new one. But thank you guys for watching. Remember, stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you.